This is a guided meditation from Tara Brach. It's titled Softening into Pain. When we are in pain, our instinct is to resist, to pull back, to create as much distance as possible between ourselves and our painful sensations. But what if we try to approach this experience differently and soften into pain instead of hardening against it? This guided practice is an exploration of how we can take care of our pain in a soft and gentle way, and it may be particularly useful if you're currently in pain. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Natural, soft breath. See if you can find some spaciousness, some freedom in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Relax your face, soft forehead, kind in the eyes. Mouth may be slightly open, jaw relaxed, tongue heavy, resting on the floor of your mouth. Maybe turn your head from side to side or circle it gently a few times to relax the neck. Let your shoulders be soft. Soften through your hands. Your lower back relaxed. Your belly soft. Hips, legs, feet relaxed. Throughout this whole practice, try not to create any unnecessary tension in your body. Whenever you notice that you are hardening, tensing up a bit, soften, release. And try not to judge yourself for this tension. Remember, it's a natural response of our body to pain. It's completely fine. Just whenever you notice it, see if it can be softened and released. And if it can't be, just know that it's okay. Now maybe scan your body briefly and notice where in your body you feel pain or discomfort right now. Bring your attention directly to that area and notice what happens if you simply observe your pain without trying to make it stop. Notice your thoughts, emotions, physical sensations as you observe your pain or discomfort. Do you wish that your pain go away immediately? Do you harden against it literally? Is there frustration that the pain is here, perhaps again? Is there fear? Remember, all of these are absolutely natural responses to pain. And we're not trying to ignore them. In fact, we're trying to befriend them. All those thoughts, all those sensations, all those emotions. If you'd like, repeat the self-compassion mantra after me, silently or out loud. Or simply listen. Take it in. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is a part of life. May I be kind to myself in this moment. May I give myself the compassion I need. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is a part of life. May I be kind to myself in this moment. May I give myself the compassion I need. See if you can soften through your entire body, but especially in this painful, uncomfortable area. Allow your breath to help you do this. Inhale softly, and with each exhale, release a little more tension. Inhale, and as you exhale, become softer. Inhale, and exhale, softer still. Try to be a curious investigator of your pain and see if you can describe it in neutral terms. For example, does your pain feel like burning or tingling or stabbing? Watch what happens to all those sensations as you keep gently observing them. Do they stay the same? Or are they changing in some way? Often, once we soften into our pain, we notice that it's always changing, always moving through a kaleidoscope of different sensations. Stay with this ever-changing mosaic for a little bit, observing with curiosity how your pain and discomfort unfolds when you're not trying to fight it. And whenever you notice any tension or harsh thoughts, take a moment to re-soften and then come back to your investigation. I'll be silent for a few moments to give you space to do that. Now see if you can be aware of your entire body, including the areas that are not painful at all. Allow your body to be so spacious that it can hold all the sensations at once. Pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. Allow your mind to be so spacious that it can hold any thoughts, harsh and soft, fearful and hopeful. If only momentarily, see how it feels to release all control over your pain and simply let it float in the ocean of your gentle awareness. Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for doing this work, for being here today. Send yourself the energy of love, loving kindness and gratitude. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to work a little more with this softening into pain practice and this self-compassion mantra. Whenever you notice that you're in pain, I put this mantra in the body of this pose so you can see it in writing. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is a part of life. May I be kind to myself in this moment. May I give myself the compassion I need. And see if allowing yourself to spend a few mindful moments with your suffering instead of hardening against it softens your pain a little bit, makes it all a little bit easier. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day.